Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to move items into folders in Canva. This is a great way to organize your designs, keep your workspace clean, and easily find your projects later. Now let's get started. On your Canva dashboard, let's go to your project. We can click Projects on the left part of the dashboard. Once we're here, we can see all our folders, including uploads and the sample folder. As you can see, the sample folder is empty. Let's go to Uploads. To move your folder, just highlight the projects you want to move. For example, these 3 projects. We will move this one, and you will see the folder logo labeled as Move. Just click this, and then choose the folder you want to move them to. For example, we will transfer these to the sample folder. Once you have selected the folder, just click Move. As you can see, it is now moving. Now, once we go back to our projects, the items are now in the sample folder. Here are our 3 projects. That's how we can move items into folders in Canva. With this simple organization method, we can manage our designs more efficiently and stay organized.